My best friend Scout came to me, an unexpected gift on Christmas Day in Texas. I was presented with a little box containing a card from my loving wife. My heart raced with excitement when unveiling a Labrador pup. She leaped in my arms and I knew we were meant to be hunting companions, forever free. I love you, Scout, never in my mind I dreamed you'd save our Christmas. My unexpected gift you brought to life, the magic of Christmas. One morning in December, Scout's first hunt, there were thousands of geese covering the sky. As a booming gunfire filled the air, I suddenly realized Scout was gone. I searched the fields and canals for hours, and I didn't find her. So, overwhelmed with feelings of guilt, I had to fly to New Jersey to be with my family and my new grandson. Christmas was here, the sadness I could feel. Scout out in the cold, lost and alone. Suddenly I got a phone call in the middle of the night, when a voice said, "We've got your little dog, and it's snowing in Texas." I love you, Scout, never in my mind I dreamed you'd save Christmas. My unexpected gift, given to me twice, you're the magic of Christmas. I love you, Scout, never in my mind I dreamed you'd save Christmas. My unexpected gift, given to me twice, you're the magic of Christmas.